Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file your taxes in Canada. First, gather all your important documents. This includes tax slips like T4s for employment income, T4 as for other income, and T3s for trust income. Also, collect receipts for any eligible deductions or credits you plan to claim. Don't forget to have your 9-digit social insurance number, or SIN, handy, as it's essential for identification. Next, decide how you'll file your return. Most Canadians choose to file electronically using NetFile certified tax software, which is often the fastest way to get your refund. If your tax situation is more complex, a professional tax preparer can assist you using eFile. Alternatively, you can still complete and mail a paper return to the Canada Revenue Agency. Now it's time to complete your return. Carefully enter all your income details from your collected tax slips. Then, identify and claim any eligible deductions, such as RRSP contributions or moving expenses, which reduce your total taxable income. Finally, apply for tax credits, like the basic personal amount or medical expense credits, to directly lower the amount of tax you owe. Before submitting, thoroughly review your entire tax return for any mistakes or missing information. If you are filing a paper return, double-check that all necessary forms and supporting documents are attached. The general filing deadline for most individuals is April 30, with self-employed individuals having until June 15. Submitting on time helps you avoid potential penalties and interest charges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.